Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Anjali. Today I'll discuss about a Python tool that is adding password to PDF. First we'll see how this tool works. I'm running this code and I'll show you. Later I'll explain the code and implementations and validations and whatever step I've performed in the code. First we'll see how it works. After running the code by using Streamlit run app.py. Streamlit is a library that I have used for designing UI and we are running app.py file. I'll explain about libraries and other imports later while explaining the code. After running, we'll be able to see the screen where we will have a title and we will tell protect your PDF with a password instantly. Now, by uploading a file in upload PDF file, we can encrypt a PDF. Let's start by uploading a file. First, we'll take a PDF called chapter and I upload it, which is 2.1 MB. Later, we will be having two options to set the password. One is we can manually enter the password or else we can generate the password by using this icon, create a strong password. First, we'll see how to enter it manually. I've entered the password which looks like this. In confirm password, again you need to enter the password. Now this is set. After using this button, you will be able to see a message called PDF protected successfully with this password and then you can download the protected file. Now we will download. When you try to open the downloaded file, it will ask to enter the password. We will enter the same password which we have set here and then if you submit, then only you will be able to open the PDF. This is how it works. Okay, now with the same PDF, let's generate a password by using create a strong password icon. If you see, you will be getting some password which was suggested and if it will be automatically filled to both enter password and confirm password blocks. Then if you press the protect PDF button, then you will be able to see a message called PDF protected successfully and download. Again, if you open, you need to enter the same password and then only you will be able to open the PDF. This is how it works. Now we'll try uploading another file which is more than the required size. You can see you'll be seeing as file must be 10 MB or smaller. It is telling that this is too large file to protect. This is the minimum size validation that I've given to this tool. Now we'll upload a protected file and we'll generate a random password and then we'll try to protect. It is telling this PDF is already password protected. If we are uploading the PDF file which is already protected, this message you are going to see. In the same way, we have many validations in this tool which I'll explain in the code. I've also set up few rules like how a password should be. Streamlit and PyPDF are the libraries that I've imported to use this tool. Now we will import Streamlit as SD. Streamlit, it is mainly used to design the UI. Then as we are dealing with the PDF file structures, we will use PyPDF and we will import PDF reader and PDF writer. Then we are importing bytes IO from IO. RE, we are importing random to generate the password. Then we'll import the string. These are our import parts. Now here we are defining a user defined function with the name of generate password where we are defining that generated password length should be 12 and the conditions we are writing is an uppercase which is randomly selected, lowercase randomly selected. It should have digits and special characters which includes these special characters. In this way it will generate. Then in join function, we are taking a random choice. String will take ASCII letters and string dot digits, which includes these special characters. Here we are telling password should be along with an uppercase, lowercase, it should have digits, special characters, and whatever the remaining among these 12 characters. This is how we will generate password. Now we will see how we have designed the page configuration. First, by using ST that is Streamlit, we will set the page configuration and we will add this title along with and we will layout it to center. And then these are all in style tags where we have given background colors, text alignments, font size, colors and margin buttons and background color what we have given and shadow color for input boxes, then border radius. How this UI is looking, arrangements, everything we have written inside the style tag. Now we saw page title over here. Now here by using markdown function we will write this title, add password to PDF, which you can see here along with the icon. Then the subtitle will be protect your PDF with password instantly. You can see here which is displayed here. That is the subtitle. And then the main UI contains the file upload icon where the type should be only PDF. Only PDF files are allowed here. Then we'll set columns, column 1 and column 2, where it will ask to enter the password. And here the type is password. It should receive the password type. And again, create a strong password. This is the password creating icon which I showed here. By using this icon, we will generate the password. And then while taking input and in input function, confirm password. Again, this type is also a password. Here, enter password and this is confirm password. This is to generate the password. Then here we have defined the file size. Here we have written many validation conditions. We'll see them one by one. If uploaded file is none, it means if we have not uploaded any file and we are using the protect button, then it will tell please upload a file. For example, before uploading any file, if you simply press the protect PDF file, it will tell please upload a file. That validation we have written here. If you have not given password after uploading file, it will say please enter password. And if you have entered the password and not entered the confirm password, it will tell it's not matching because you have not entered it. If you are not entering password, password cannot be empty. And the length of the password which you enter must be less than 12. But when generating, we have given the length as 12, but when you are entering, it is only 6 characters. Then here are the conditions to write the password, that if there is no capital or uppercase in your password, it will tell it must contain a uppercase. If in your password there are no lowercase, it will tell it should be a lowercase, then at least one number and a special character. And if you upload any other file types, it will tell only PDF files are allowed. Then, as I showed, by uploading a large file, if you upload, it will tell file upload should be less than 10 MB. And even space is not allowed while entering the password. If you give, it will tell like password cannot contain spaces. In the two ways, here we are identifying the space by using is space function and manually the space. Here, by using PDF reader, we will read the uploaded file. This is the validation. If you upload the protected PDF, you will get this PDF is already protected. This scenario also we have checked. And if you upload a empty PDF which contain no pages, it will tell PDF contain no pages. Then, if you give the password same as file name, it is also not considered. Password should not be same as file name. This validation you will get. I have listed some common passwords which need to be rejected. The easy passwords or which contains only numbers. If you enter these things, it will tell it is too common and the maximum length is 20. From 6 to 20, you can enter any length of password. Password should not exceed 20 characters. If you are exceeding more than that, this validation will be displayed. These are the conditions to write a password. As I said, one capital letter, one number, one special character. And weak password, medium password we have defined here. To create a PDF writer, we are using PDF writer function. And to add all the pages, have page function, and then we will encrypt by using encrypt function. And to save the PDF in memory, you can see here we have written this code by using PDF writer write function. Then after running this part, it will display PDF protected successfully. And then you will get a download button where this text will be displayed. Download the protected file. Then you can download in the form of PDF. Then at last we have written exception. If you get any unexpected errors, it will be solved and the error message is invalid, empty or corrupted PDF file. If there is any other issues that occurs, this will be displayed. And we have another file called config.toml. Here we will define the size of the file that this tool should accept. We can change here like 20, 30 according to your requirement. This will help you to allow the file size according to your requirement. This need to be created inside a .streamlit folder in your project file. This is the very simple explanation that I've given about this tool. In the description below, I'll be giving a link where you can download the whole source code. And if you want, you can make any changes according to your requirements. Please check the link and download the source code. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.